Hi there, I'm Sneha. Welcome to today's vlog. So right now I'm sitting in a puddle of books. I will show that to you later on. So let me give you the context of this vlog. So basically, as you can see, that my bookshelf is completely empty because I'm planning to, not planning, I'm actually doing it right now. So I have like emptied it so that I can clean all the books again and rearrange everything, because I feel like everything is just so messed up and cluttered. Anyway, so other than cleaning the shelf and all of that, I'm also going to read a book. So I will start the book Red, White and Royal Blue. I showed this book to you in one of my videos recently, where I actually opened the mail and showed this book to you. So the other one that arrived with it was the 40 Rules of Love. I think it's somewhere over here only. So I finished reading the 40 Rules of Love recently, and honestly I just don't know why didn't I read this book before, because this book was in my bucket list for the longest of time. Just sometimes you just see a book and you read a little bit about it and it just does not connect with you somehow, and you assume that you will not like the book. So this one was something like that, and that's why I was not reading this book. But I'm so happy that I finally read it. Plus the thing is, I am a spiritual person, so when I read this book I enjoyed it thoroughly because of its spiritual angle and all that divinity. Plus it also has this modern take to it, so I really enjoyed the book. And honestly I had zero expectations, although when I opened the book in front of you guys, a lot of you told me in the comments and also on Instagram that you guys love this book, and from there I thought maybe I will also enjoy it. And although I had like zero expectations, I enjoyed this book so much. So that's something good. I read a good book last week, and not last week, I think 2 days back only I finished it. So I'm really happy that I read a good book, and now this is going to be my next read. And trust me, I have really high expectations when it comes to this one, because I have been seeing really amazing reviews and people have been raving about this book. Plus I think this is like a YA fiction, and YA fiction is my favorite, so that's why. Plus just everything, the appearance and the little bit that I've read about this book really seems interesting, so I think I will really enjoy it. So let's see if I actually do enjoy it as the vlog will continue. So now without any further ado, I think I should just start organizing my bookshelf and not blabber anymore. So this is the condition right now, and yeah, everything is pretty cluttered and messed up. These are some of the other books. As you can see that I have brought the Cassandra Clare books over here. These were on my table in the living room, but I've decided I will keep them over here. So yeah, let's start cleaning them first. So I'm going to watch an episode of Friends while cleaning the books, otherwise I will really get bored. So yeah, let's get started. this is from the next day. I did not read the book the previous day because I had some work that I needed to do ASAP. So I could not start the book that day, and that's why I'm starting it the next day. Now, I told you initially that this book has received amazing response from the people and everyone has been raving about the book. And right now when I am editing this video, I have finished reading the book, and I can tell you one thing for sure, that the hype is so accurate. Honestly, this is one of the best books that I have read so far this year. And I know I have actually read a couple of amazing books this year, but this one definitely is on the top 5 because the way the book has been written, the story, everything is just absolutely perfect. So if you're looking for a good book, then I highly recommend this. If you want me to do a good and detailed review of this book, then definitely hit on the like button and tell me in the comments, then I will definitely make a detailed video on this book as well. So this book is basically a romance novel, and the protagonists are Alex and Henry. Alex is the first son of the United States and Henry is the Prince of England, and I think that in itself is very interesting. Now initially they don't really like each other and all of that, but as the story continues, you get to read so many things, and the story just continues and flows very naturally and effortlessly. So the story just completely sweeps you off and you are just completely lost in the story. So if you are looking for something that will like bring you out of a reading slump, then this book will actually be really good for you. Now personally, I'm not really that big a fan of the romance genre. I don't enjoy romance novels that much, but this book is definitely an exception. I loved this book thoroughly, and that's why I am also raving about the book. So yeah, like definitely I think I will actually make a video on this book specifically because I love it and I definitely want to talk about this book in length. So yeah, with my breakfast I was reading this book, and as you can see, I have already finished what I was eating, just cornflakes with some milk. That's it. And yeah, after that I actually planned on to paint something, and it was actually the death anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore, and he is definitely my idol, and that's why I thought I will paint this book cover, and that's why I sat down to do that. Now the book cover, as you can see, is beautiful. The book is beautiful. It's the Gitanjali, and I have loved all the poems inside the book, and it's definitely a masterpiece. So I was just trying to imitate the cover of the book, and things did not go as per planned, and I actually ended up painting things that just did not look like the cover. Anyway, so these are the colors and these brushes that I use, and these brushes I bought from the local stationery shop, and these are some fabric colors or acrylic colors, I don't really know. I just use this one, and this is the camel poster colors, but they're like watercolor only. Anyway, so yeah, these are the only colors that I use for painting everything. So a lot of you guys actually ask me, so that's why I'm showing you. And this is just a simple copy that I could not finish back in the university, so I just use these copies for painting, nothing special. And yeah, so then I started painting, and honestly it turned out hideous and very bad. Initially when I was trying to paint it, I thought I will be able to make it, but by the end everything just seemed very out of sync and very bad. And why I'm showing this to you is because if I show you the good ones that turn out fine, then I should also show you the ones that turn out like really hideous, right? Because I always say that you don't have to be a perfectionist, you don't have to do everything perfectly, especially your hobbies. Some things you do because you like them, not because you are an expert in those things. And when you start trying to be an expert, you stop enjoying those activities as well. So I think that's why I'm showing this to you, because look at how beautiful the cover is, and then look at what I ended up painting. Like, I don't even know what this is, but yeah, I'm showing it to you to show that it's okay to do things badly. What matters is that you spend your time painting and working on something that you really like and not really scroll down social media. Anyway, so I did not want to end this video on such a terrible note, so I'm attaching this clip of the caramel custard that my mom made a day back, and I recorded it because just look at how gorgeous this custard looks. It's not baked or anything, it's beautiful. If you want the recipe, I will definitely give it in the description down below. It was so creamy and so delicious. My mom also made this mango flan thing that was delicious. I will give the link in the description, do watch. And it was definitely extremely creamy and tasty. So that's, I think this is like the best way to end this vlog and video whatsoever. I did not want that painting to be the last thing that you see. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then definitely subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.